Stunnn Kid 3.0 check. I wrote a song, so pitch balingo. I wrote a song, yem balingo. I wrote a song. I think it's time I share my thoughts, balingo. I wrote a song, so pitch balingo. I wrote a song, yem balingo. I wrote a song. I think it's time I share my thoughts, broke emotional scars. My wound bleeds on the beat. My heart skipped a beat when I hopped on the beat. I was cast behind and never had the front seat. Went to all my classes, I'm still crashing on that beat. Hey, won't go, they all know my clan. Real nigga, fuck your Chinese brand. You say you never smoked, your lungs are vetting, do establishing. Lately, I put my heart on my sleeve. I came from Cofimvaba without saying please. I had to write the flow more like the apple in Adam and Eve. Caution, that shit solid, you may lose your teeth. Down on my knees, only on church when the pastor preach.